Hi friends and Vilmates! Ito na naman po si Ate V dito po sa aking YouTube channel. At ngayon po sa akin na naman pong bagong vlog. It's been a while na hindi po tayo nagkasama-sama, pero tandaan po ninyo, pag meron ako mga special occasion at maliligayang mga happening sa buhay, hindi pwedeng hindi ko rin naman kayo makakasama. Ngayon po ay nagkaroon kami ng Alaska Cruise, kasama ko po syempre ang aking pong pamilya. At kung ano po yung naramdaman po naming saya, yung aming pong family bonding, good sights na amin pong nakita sa Alaska, gusto ko pong i-share yun sa inyong lahat. Dahil kayo ay pamilya ko rin. Okay? My friends and Vilmates, come with me and please do watch and let's all enjoy. But again, as usual, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Malapit na po tayo mag 1 million. Please naman, paabutin na natin ng 1 million. Okay? So let's all enjoy. Panoorin po natin ang amin pong Alaska Cruise. Watch it!
Hi guys! We're Norwegian Encore!
We're going on a cruise!
Yes! Alaska Cruise!
Okay, nandito right now, pakita mo. Yan.
Okay, and then this is the... Ayan na mga tao. There you go. And see you later! Alligator! Bye!
Hello! Ate V here. We're here in Seattle right now. Nandito kami ngayon sa port. Ito, papakita ko. Halika yan, tingnan mo. Yan, yun yung port. Yan, dito po. Yan, sa taas. Yan ang ship. Nandito po ako ngayon sa room namin. Ito po yung we're taking a break. Sabi nga nila, trabaho, but at the same time, leisure. So, pinapakita ko kayo. Kasama kayo dito, okay? So, mag-cruise po kami ng Alaska. At gusto ko makita nyo rin yung i-enjoy namin. Dapat ma-enjoy nyo rin. Halika.
Hi, Cindy!
Maliit lang. Okay na. Heaven na to. Dito mo kami. And thank you sa binigay po nila. Meron kami wine. Thank you. Norwegian, thank you very much. Ang pabait po ng Pinoy dito. Grabe. 60% po ng mga staff dito and crew. They're all Filipinos and they're all so nice. Ang bait-bait po nila sa amin. Ito, toilet. Kita naman. Ito yung shower. Nice. It's not that big, syempre, of course. Pero it's just right. It's comfortable. Okay? Basta kasama ko kayo ho. Gusto ko lang ma-enjoy nyo yung ma-enjoy din namin cruise dito sa Alaska. I love you. Mwah, mwah.
There's a wind. See, there's a wind here. Look. Here with Mama.
Sarap!
Sarap!
Sarap! Sisigaw mo?
I give you chocolate to make you wake you up. I give you chocolate to make you wake you up. I give you chocolate makes you happy.
Marami pa ako ipapakita sa inyo. Look at the mountain. 360 degrees. Okay, there. Okay. We're on a ship. There. Andito po ako. Yan, pinapakita ko sa inyo. Ito, nasa ship kami. Nasa 16th floor. To the mountain. There ako. Ito si Cindy. See you again. Salamat po. I love you.
Special life jackets are available for children.
Akala mo ako, ikaw din ah.
Sige, sige.
Alarm ah.
Laban tayo, laban. No? Laban, no? Oh, laban.
Thank you, te.
Thank you. Enjoy.
Ship. Once again,
Yeah, I'm scared myself. Kita-kita tayo rin.
Yun, nagkita-kita din. Ay, nabili mo, te. Alaska.
Ito pwede naman ito masabi.
Yan, nagkakagulos na magkapatid.
Pero pa!
Likewise.
We were built on August 10th, 1996. We wilted inches of snow per year. Some of the trees you may notice.
Hi guys, where are we now? We're in Alaska. And we're enjoying it with the family, of course. Alaska.
Okay. Si Adi. Mga bata, saan kayo pupunta? For Marias.
Going around. We're still here on top of a mountain here in Alaska. Trying to get some souvenir there. Alam mo, one thing I've noticed, ang naging norm pala dito sa Alaska, bear. No.
Oo, madami.
Bear
Kaya
pala.
mag-iingat tayo.
Oo. Yeah, bear. It's nice.
What's this for?
Wait, what's that for? Oh, when you hike, you use this? Really? Ah, okay.
For you.
This is not only for all this, right? Haha. I use it too. I will use it too. Ah, okay. Yeah, when you hike.
Kuya,
Kukunin ka ng ikot.
Baby, it's cold outside. And then, in a while, we're going back. Magda-tram tayo ulit, no?
Yeah, going back.
Ito sila, oh, mga angels, oh.
Oo, yan.
Hi, Aldwin. Hi, Angel.
Yan ang mga angels.
Hi, Abet. Hi, Cindy, our camera woman. Ito mga angels natin. Yan. Ako naman ang kukuha sa kanila ngayon. Yan.
ay, lalabas kami ulit.
Dito po kasi umuulan. Ayan o, Tesha. Hello. Umuulan. Humihinto, umuulan. Wala naman akong hoodie. O, edi yung scarf. And then there's a famous low boy. Here, there. There, look.
White and dark chocolate.
I got it. Thanks. Okay. Parang hindi.
Morning! Kuya Jun! Kuya Jun!
Na-mesmerize ako eh.
Actually, the boat is turning. Nandito kami sa isang lugar, turning 5 times. 5 times, just to show 360 degrees ng glacier, ng mountain.
Nice view! Oh!
Hi! This is the day that everybody's out to watch the glacier here sa Alaska. And enjoy po lahat. Kaya lang po, it's summer. Kaya lahat ng bulto ng yelo makikita. Pero may mga bumabagsak dito. Pero look at the view. It's different. It's something. It's amazing. Hindi mo mapaliwanag yung ganda. Papakita ko sa inyo. Hi. Okay, we're in Canada now. It's a short trip from our ship here. Our friends, ano lang to, 3 hours? Papa, 3 hours lang. Okay, so we're going to the city. This is our last Last stop, right? Victoria.
Victoria, yeah.
Victoria, and then tomorrow we'll be back in Seattle, and then overnight, then back in Los Angeles. See you guys. Nandito kami sa Victoria, Canada, last stop. Beautiful place, very clean. So we're going back. Thank you for everything. We're so blessed. See ya, guys! May tingin naman dito ba kayo?
One more time.
Say hi!
Hi. 1, 2, 3.
Okay!
Thank you.
Isang limang member ng Republic.
National artist of the Philippines. Makakabeto daw ba kami?
Baka.
My mother is asking.
Oh, sana. Doon sa comments. Yeah.
Ano siya ulit?
National artist of the Philippines 2010. National Artist of the Philippines 2020. Sabay-sabay. National Artist of the Philippines 2024.
I love you all and thank you so much for watching my vlog. I love you and again thank you. See ya! O what? Nag-enjoy po kayo? Sana yung naramdaman ko pong saya kasama ang aking pamilya at mga kaibigan at mga kamag-anak, naramdaman nyo rin. You are part of my life. Okay? Alam nyo, gusto kong kunin ang pagkakataon na ito para pasalamatan ang lahat po ng staff at mga kaibigan namin at mga crew na nakasama po namin sa Alaska Cruise. Sa inyo pong lahat, ang galing talaga ng Pilipino. Inalagaan po nila talaga kami. Sobra sa 7 araw na yon, para kaming naging isang pamilya, parang naging kapatid din namin sila. Sana kung nanonood kayo ngayon, maraming salamat po sa pag-aalaga niyo po sa amin. Sa inyo pong lahat, talagang ibang klase ang Pilipino pagdating sa sipag. Mabuhay kayo! Sa inyo pong lahat, maraming salamat dito po sa aking vlog. And again, importante, please subscribe and share and like. Okay? 1 million na tayo. Maraming salamat ho sa pakikipanood sa akin. Until next time, basta't meron akong magandang happening, hindi pwedeng hindi kayo kasama dahil mahal ko po kayo. Love you! Ate V here.